Alright. I love this car. We got here to Suzuka. I love this track too. One of my favorites. And we are racing with the Porsche iconic 962C year 88. Let's see how it goes. Check here. Yeah, I checked the settings. We got a lot of cars here. It's a race of turbos, so all cars here have turbos installed. We got the Supra 97. We got iconic GTRs there. Okay, let me concentrate on this. Check on the maps because sometimes the tracks have the events actually have like tire wear, or the gas is you have to refill the gas tank. And this is not that kind of event. I think maybe the next one. They usually put the last event like kind of the most difficult one, where there is tire wear and also the gas goes to empty real quick. So what I do is check on what map I am on. If I am on the performance, on the power level, on the performance side, or in the lean side. That will save you a lot. And also the kind of tires you're using also influence a lot on how the track is gonna go. Your handling and if you're gonna have to go to the pit lane. I love this one here. Usually a lot of people brake on this on that one. Alright. Nice. Graphics are not really the best. Need to check what's going on. Why is recording? Hey, this guy brake checking me. Oh, but he brake checks me and then goes? I better follow this guy because I think this is gonna be the guy to beat here in this track. For sure. Alright, and keeps brake checking me. Oh, come on. Yeah, I like this view better. Yeah, I alternate between both because I like the other one too. Alright. Yeah, so I have to check on what's going on with the graphics of the game. I'm not sure what's going on. But I'll make it better. I'll make it better soon. As soon as I have time after school and all the homework, I'll make it happen. Okay. That was good. Yeah, he's close. But that thing is fast. Looks like McLaren maybe? Maserati. Oh no, raining? Yeah, that's the other thing. So sometimes the event has raining just gonna keep going, like if you were on soap. And damn. And is he going back again? Hope not. Well, yeah, I hope he stays over there. Nice GTR, R34 there. Wow. So, and sometimes happens like this time, like this event. It rained, yes, but it's not raining anymore. So, if I went into the pit, oh my god, I would have lost so much time. And I would have lost the race. Yeah, I would have lost the race. Right now, I didn't get into the pit, and I'm third. Still 2 more laps to go. I think I can get these guys. So this car is one of the best cars I have ever tried, because it's suitable for so many events. And even though it's from 88, you could say it's an old car, but it's an amazing machine. Such an amazing machine. I mean, it's a Porsche, right? Porsche, like some people say. Alright, down to one more place. Kokoboon from Japan. What is he racing? That looks like maybe a Mazda, maybe? RX-7? Is it? No. That's Amiga. Amiga? I think so. That's a nice car. Brake shaking me, guy. Why are you brake shaking me, bro? Just keep going, mind your business and be faster. Good. Alright, those sounds. I love those sounds. Wow. Just amazing. It's just amazing. Alright. Yeah, inside the car looks nice, but the graphics are not the best. Not the best. I don't know, maybe it's my TV, maybe it's fine. Maybe it's recording fine, but yeah, my TV is old. Not a Sony Bravia or some nice TV, but it's doing the job. Oh, lost it there. But see how this car pulls. It's just so fast. Pulls so nice, and you can handle it very easy. I wouldn't say like very easy, but it's intuitive. You want the car to be intuitive when you're handling it. You're driving it. I'm stuck behind this guy. Okay. Nope. It's not letting me pass. I don't want to have an accident. Aha! Got you. Yeah, I told you. R-E, Amiga. I'm not sure that's kind of a SEMA car. I don't know if they sell those or deals. Not sure if you can just buy one of those. I'll check it out and let you know. Just remind me in the comments. It's a very interesting topic because it looks like that RX Mazda RX-7, yeah, but it has a different name, brand, so probably some SEMA build. This is the final lap. My favorite turn. I'm already making a new record. Oh yes. Perfect. Woo! Made it! Just made it. First. Yep. Trophy. Some more money.